this is Miss Estrada, and today is the last math lesson of the school year. Can you imagine that? It's already the last lesson. I can't believe that it's been 2 months since we started working this way, but we have. And to make it special, we have Mr. Lara Cuente today with us because he didn't want to miss the last week of school, and he wants to say something to you at the end of the video. Okay, so let's start. Again, today is the last day of the time week. Okay, so as a learning objective, it says, I will review ways to tell the time using analog or digital clocks. Our language objective says, I will write and talk to tell the time while I participate in a discussion on Schoology. So after you watch the lesson, I want you to go to Schoology, okay? So today, let's make a very brief review. Telling time. We have 2 analog clocks, okay? And under the analog clocks, we have 2 digital clocks that we are going to fill together, okay? Let's review. There are 12, the clock marks 12 hours, right? Okay? So each of the numbers, number 1, number 2, number 3, tells us the hour, and the shorthand of the clock shows us the hour. So it will tell you, for example, right here, the arrow is between 2 and 3. So what time is it? What is the hour? It's 2. While the long hand shows us the minutes. So with the long hand, we can count by 5, okay? When you see 1, that means that it's been 5 minutes. When you see 2, it's been 10 minutes. So let's count by 5s together. 5, 10, 15. So the minutes is 15. And what was the hour? 2, right? So it is 2:15. It is 2:15. That's a way you can say it. What time is it? It is 2:15. But there is another way using a quarter. A quarter means that if you divide the hour into 4 equal time lapses, you get 15 minutes. So when you say a quarter, talking about time, you mean 15 minutes. So you can say it's 2:15 or it's 15 past 2. On the other hand, you have another clock that is showing a different hour. So let's take a look at this one. We already said that the shorthand shows us what? The hour. So what is the hour on this clock? The arrow is between 4 and 5. That means that it is in 4. It is getting closer to 5, but it is still 4. And as I said, we're going to count by 5s, okay? So let's start from 12. Counting until we find the long arrow, okay? The long hand. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. So, what is the hour? It's 4. How many minutes? 45. So it is 4:45. How do we say this? We can say it's 4:45 because in 15 more minutes we will get to hour 5, right? Or you can say it's 4:45. Okay? And now Mr. Lara Cuente is gonna tell you about the half hour, okay? So pay attention to him.
Hello, let's continue with the analog clock. You have learned already when is like 1:15 or 1:45 you know, the 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And each of these short line, shows 1 minute. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. So number 1 is equal to 5 minutes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 2 is equal to 10 minutes. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So the shorthand is showing number 2, and the minute hand, which is the long one, is the minute hand. Minute hand is showing 30. That means that the time is it's 2:30, 2:30, or it's 2:30, because this is 2 and already passed 30 minutes. So it's 2:30. And remember, the shorthand shows the hour. This is the hour hand, and this is the minute hand. We represent 2:30 with numbers when we use the digital clock. This way it's easier to read the time. 2:30 or 2:30. Now, look at the clock. What time is it? A, 1 o'clock. B, 2 o'clock. 3, 3:30. Or D, 2:30. So look at the clock and apply all the knowledge that you have learned previously. Remember that the numbers goes by 5. 1 is equal to 5 minutes, 2 is equal to 10 minutes, 3 is equal to 15 minutes, 4 is equal to 20 minutes, 5 is equal to 25 minutes, and 6 is equal to 30 minutes. So, what time is it? Yes, it's 3:30 or 3:30. 3:30. Okay? Now, boys and girls, remember that you have to go to Schoology and finish your assignment. Thank you very much. Bye.
Okay, very important information that Mr. Aracuente gave us. And now that we have reviewed all the vocabulary and all the ways we can tell the time, I want you to go to Schoology, okay, to participate in the discussion, the time discussion, okay? And before we go, I just want to say thank you, parents. Thanks for supporting your children and for supporting the school. And Mr. Laracuente wants to say some kind words to all of you, both parents, any adults who have been supporting us, and the students, of course. Okay?
Hi, Collins Explorers. I am Mr. Laracuente, and I want to say thank you to all of you, parents and students, for all the great effort you have made over the last few months by learning and working with new challenges through the coronavirus pandemic. Again, Thank you, parents. Thank you, students. And remember that we love you at Collins Elementary. God willing, I will see you again during the next school year, 2020-2021. Bye-bye.
Okay, that's it for me too. I have to say bye and see you next year, but I won't be your teacher, or the first grade teachers won't be your teachers anymore because you will be on second grade. So have a great summer, enjoy it, spend time with your family, and remember to read and practice math every day, okay? Bye bye. Have a safe and nice summer.